guys, this is Alina. You could see this is my Nerlie baby, Fidgets. Fidgets is very cute and she's very snuggly. She loves to have fun and stuff. It's really nice having her with us because she's so sweet. But right now she's sleeping. And since she just took her nap and it's nighttime right now, I'm going to wake her up. And she's 2 weeks old today. She had a dinner bottle because Nerlies, when they are 2 weeks old, can have a bottle. I'll show you the formula. Oh, sorry for the background noises. If that really bothers you, sorry about that. And this cute little bottle. Yeah, it's really cute. As you can see, I already used it. It has a little spout right there. Can you see that? Try to focus. Well, there we go. She has a dolly. Her dolly. She likes her dolly. I'll show you her dolly before we wake her up. See, that's her dolly. Just tied her hair up. And she has loads right there. This is her passy. That was supposed to be her washcloth. Now it's her baby's bed. This is her brush and comb. She should probably use that one that her dolly uses, but this one just smooths. Give her a bath today after her feeding because she's a messy eater. See her umbilical cord right there? Because she got it pulled out when she was 3 days old. Sorry, it's right there. But today we're going to be making her a bottle. Oh, and also she drank out of the drippity drop in her incubator, not in the Zen Zone, but she used all this Barbie stuff because it fits. She fits. I had to use the rubber bands to hold her in the stroller in this. I don't have to use the rubber bands for that. But I'm going to be making her bottles, so I'm going to go to the kitchen. No, not the kitchen. Bathroom. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we're in the bathroom, you can see. And I brought all her stuff. This and her formula stuff. I'm going to open it. Okay, let me show you guys. You have to open it like that. Take out the spoon. Well, take out the spoon and then open it. But I just did it like this for now. Then open the baba. The little pea sheet comes out. Then you put it in there, but she only drinks a little bit because she just was able to drink it today. She's not going to drink much because earlier she had a little bit. Don't want too much. She had a lot and she didn't eat much. She only ate about half. But since she's tiny, of course she's going to eat all it. Are you guys seeing this? It's filled up with water now. Don't want to shake it too much, but I'm going to zoom you guys over a little bit. And that. Then I'm going to take this powdery stuff right here. That's her milk substance. And too much, she won't be able to eat this stuff anymore or drink it because she's too old. But I'm assuming they can, drink water, you know. You have to do it slowly so it gets in there. Because when it piles up in there, then it gets stuck in there. You know, it's really annoying. Hope you guys are getting all this. Yeah, no, not really, but you guys getting most of it? Sometimes it gets stuck in there. So drag it out. There we go, like that. Then I had technical difficulties with this because I'm not the pro. This is my first baby of the kind of species. Never. It's getting clumped up. So annoying. Guys, I hope you guys are getting all this, because if you aren't, why am I making this video for, you know? Yeah. Oh, the spoon actually says, spoon's so gross. Oh, it's not working out for me. Don't ever eat that. Because it's bad for you. This is why I'm doing it in the bathroom. Okay. This is why we're in the bathroom. Because whatever mess you make in the bathroom stays in the bathroom. That's good, right? Yeah, I have technical difficulties. Rinse it out. You have to dry it because obviously you have to dry it or it gets all stuck in there and it turns into the milk. Didn't get any in there. But take two. Sorry guys, you couldn't see that well. Just tinkering with this, you know. My second time filming my Nerlie, but right now oh, this is hard. And maybe that's gonna happen. Can't use the funnel because obviously my funnel doesn't work. I have to be very careful getting it in. Do it for the sake. Now that I know that. It was great before I used the funnel. After I put water in it. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely crazy. I'm not good at this, obviously. I'm a first-time Munich mom. Okay? First time. And do you think it's going good so far?
Yes, it is.
Tell me in the comments. Yeah. Since this is nighttime. And we're in the summertime also. I don't know when I will be getting. I think that's all I'm going to do for day. There. It's almost time for me to go to bed, obviously, so I'm going to be hurrying this up, guys. Sorry, but I have to shake. No wonder they call it shaky shake. Yep, they do. I know why now. No, get out. That's my brother. This is no retake, so if this fails, I'm going to be so mad. But I'm going to get Fidgets so you guys can see her eat. This is the whole point of the video. Bam, so fast. Oh, see, shake, shake. And look, Fidget. Plus shaky, shaky goes happening. Wait, can you guys see it? Because this is where the messy part comes. She always makes a mess. Well, time I dated, she's still learning how to eat. So only second bottle, I'd say. Yeah. Yeah, she's eating it really good. Oh. Well, when it gets stuck in her mouth, you have to I have to do that. Good girl. What happened? Don't worry, guys. My brother's being silly. In 1 month, she's going to be able to eat Nerlie sprinkles. Might speed this up, guys, so going to be back. Guys, I might stop it here because it's very late and I'm supposed to be getting to bed soon. And Miss Fidgets is going to go to bed soon, too. So, yeah. Oh, are you okay? Yeah, you're okay. So, this is her bedtime, Cassie milk. And it's almost time for me to go to bed. So, thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe. In the comments, let me know if you like Fidgets and do more videos with Fidgets. So, bye.